Ghee rice a half cup washed. Milk 1 cup. Mix well and soak for 30 minutes. On medium heat, add 4 cups milk. Stir it occasionally and bring it to boil. Lower the heat, add in soaked rice. On medium heat, stir continuously until the mixture thickens. Sugar a half cup. Mix until sugar dissolves. Thick cream 125 milliliters. On low heat, mix until combined. Mango puree 1 cup. Mix until well combined and the mango rice kheer is ready. Serve chilled with some mango chunks and enjoy.